Hello chess lovers, Soren here, and in this video I want to share with you a grotesque chess problem. As you know, grotesque chess problems are intended to be humorous, and this one I'm publishing just for fun. The chess problem was composed by Soviet-Russian chess composer Boris Sydorov, first published in 1983, and the task is to mate in 22 moves. You can pause the video and try to find the solution. Just for your orientation, let me tell you that these black pawns are moving towards the first rank. The task is actually very easy, and I'm sure that in a blink of a second you managed to find it. By the way, before proceeding with the solution, let me tell you that unlike many grotesque chess problems which I have already published earlier, this one is theoretically impossible to reach, because currently Black has 7 pawns on the board, while on the other hand 9 rooks are present. In case of having 7 pawns on the board, you can only have 3 rooks. But anyways, as this is for fun, let's proceed with it and see how white is going to mate in 22 moves. By the way, as this position is illegal, many chess softwares may not allow to set up the position. So in order to mate in 22 moves, first white is playing queen b8. The threat is queen a7 checkmate, and in order to neutralize the threat, black has only one move, and that move is rook e8. All white can do is to accept the rook sacrifice, after which we have rook e6. By the way, you can even move the other rooks as well. The right move order is not important. The most important thing is to neutralize the mating threat. Yes, in order to delay the checkmate. What's going on with this evaluation bar? Right now it's showing precisely, but in the beginning of the video the engine was giving black a huge advantage. Okay, we can even sacrifice the rook on h8 as well. Queen b8, another rook sacrifice is on the board. This time we have rook f5, or whatever you wish. We can play rook h5, queen b8, the threat is queen a7, rook h8, takes. The other rook is now coming. But okay, I don't want to sacrifice on e8 after rook h3, rook h8. In some cases there might be a mating threat from a1. That's why let's play rook g2, queen b8, rook g8, takes here, or here, here, and finally we can now sacrifice the queen. Queen b8, there comes queen e8, the last piece is sacrificed, and now let's move one of the pawns. There is no way out, you know, even if you move your king, then again queen b8, queen a7 is mating. For example, if here, then here, and then checkmate appears on the board. These treacherous pawns are like helping white pieces to announce a checkmate. We are on move 22 and a checkmate is on the board. A very entertaining chess problem which I hope that you enjoyed. In the end, another grotesque chess problem. This time the task is to mate in 3 moves. The task is very easy, and we'll wait for your answer in the comment section. Feel free to check out my early uploads as well. We'll see you in my next video. Take care.